Okay, we're going back to cylinder head now. I just thought I'd go over a quick thing on when you're checking the valve piston clearance. I don't know how well you'll be able to see this, but we'll do it like this. Just remember, your piston's coming up and your valve is also closing, so you can get away with a little bit less clearance for valve piston on the intake. If you think about it, your exhaust, your piston's coming up while your exhaust valve is still open or opening. So the piston's coming up and your exhaust valve is still opening. So you're more likely to hit on the exhaust side. You know, of course, you want as much clearance as you can get valve to piston. On the exhaust side, I like to run at least 80 thousandths clearance between the piston and the valve. And you're just going to use you can use clay or a piece of solder works even better. Solder is a little bit better. You just put it on the piston there, assemble the head, adjust your rocker arms with solids and the lifters, or you could make sure that the lifters are fully collapsed, or you're going to get a false reading because the lifter is going to bleed down. You're going to check those intakes, you know, about the same, about 80 thousandths. Although I have run less, I have run as little as 40 thousandths. And if you pack your springs right, you'll be good to go. A couple of things you need to know before you even start. You're going to need to know your top dead center lifts for your valves. I don't remember what these are offhand for these. I'm just using Andrews N4 cams, which is bolt end. So relatively low top TDC lifts. And all the TDC lift is when the piston's at top dead center, that's how I follow valves open. So valves open farther, it's going to be closer to the piston at top dead center. Very simple measurement. And that's really about it. You know, piston's coming up, exhaust intake valves closing on that. You know, your piston's coming up, intake valves closing on it. Piston's coming up, exhaust valve is opening. So it's more likely to crash on the exhaust side or clash. And really, that's about it. Just thought I'd throw that in there for something for you to check. That's it. I think it's coffee time now. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.